Some lovely Schindlers here. And a bin bag. Oh God, Vetro indicators inside, eh? Yeah, there's a reception desk there, so we'll go back down. There's the capacity information. On the orbits label. 17 persons, 1,275 kgs. Does it have call cancel? Yes, it does. Lovely maroon leather effect doors on the outside. In fact, that is leather. Very nice. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, then head over to my channel where you can explore more than a decade's worth of videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. Don't forget that you can also follow me on Instagram for exclusive posts, and you can join my weekly live streams.